I've drunk a latte. Hey, I'm Simon and I'm here at AirBeamTV to get you started mirroring your iPhone to your TV via your Roku Streaming Player. So let's get into it. First thing to note is we are using a Roku 4 player because we're pretty classy. So we need to download the Mirror for Roku app first of all.
Phone cam.
Head to the App Store on your iPhone, search for AirBeamTV, and in there you will find Mirror for Roku. Get that downloaded and we are almost ready to go. Next thing is we need to make sure our iPhone and our Roku are both connected to the same network. For the Roku, ideally via a wired connection for the best performance. So I can see inside electronics and yes, they're both connected to the same network. So let's get started. We need to open the Mirror for Roku app for the first time. And because they are both connected to the same network, our Roku box will pop up in the menu here. Now this place is doing all right. So they've got 2 Roku boxes, but realistically, you'll probably only have one. Ours is AirBeamTV 1. So I just tap that and look at this guy. It pops up over here. It says add channel on the Roku. So all I need to do is click OK. And it will add the receiver app to the Roku box so that you can fire the stuff in between. And simple as that, it's installed. So now that that's installed, we can go ahead and click our Roku box again, and it will say connecting to your TV. TV found and connected. Next step. Turn on notifications. That was very nice. All this wants to do is send a notification to your iPhone to tell you that mirroring is happening. So we can click allow and allow. And with that, we are almost ready to go. So our AirBeamTV box is there. That's the Roku. Little check mark next to it. All we need to do is click select Mirror for Roku to get started. So let's do that now. Mirror for Roku, start broadcast. There'll be a little delay of 1 to 3 seconds. We call that latency. It won't be a problem if you're looking at pictures or videos. What it does mean is that you can't do high intensity gaming from your phone to the TV. But there it is. There is my iPhone mirrored onto the screen. Thanks very much, phone cam. Your work here is done. So now what might you want to do? Perhaps you want to show some pictures that you've got stored on your phone on the big screen. Easy. Just open your Photos app, turn the phone on its side, and the same thing will happen to the image on the screen, so you can see it in all its glory. Perhaps you've got a PDF or something on your phone that you want to display larger so that everyone in the office or at an event can see it. Simple enough. Open it up again on your phone, turn it on its side, and then you can see the whole process gear in all its glory. Double process gear and some great lorem ipsum work. And finally, maybe you want to show videos from your phone over there. Well, if they're stored in your camera roll, you can simply show those on the big screen, but perhaps you want to watch videos from the internet. Well, in order for the sound to travel from the phone to the Roku, we recommend using Puffin Browser. You can find that on the App Store, and it works just like Safari or Chrome. I have opened up a video here in Puffin Browser. I press play on it. I turn the sound down on my iPhone, and then I can turn the sound up on the TV. Rotate it on its side, and there it is. Sorry if that's too loud. I'm gonna turn that down. It's slightly obnoxious. So there you go. All you need to make sure is that you don't have your phone with the little mute switch switched off. Keep that on, sound down on the phone, sound up on the TV. Perfect. And that's how easy it is. If you do have any questions or queries, feel free to get in touch with us via Facebook Messenger or good old-fashioned email. In the meantime, tell everyone in your WhatsApp group. Happy mirroring.